So today we finally have an unboxing, and this time it is the Samsung Galaxy Tab A. The tablet market has flattened over the years. It started booming with the Kindle Fires and Galaxy tablets and the initial boom of the iPad, and then the iPad just took over. So this is an interesting device to see if it still lives up and still makes a sale in such a flat and sort of stagnant market. Anyway, let's get this thing open, and if just a little preview here, we've got 1.6 GHz octa-core processor, 2 gigs of RAM, which in today's dates for phones anyway, 2 gigs, it's enough. It's not like gaming quality, but for a budget tablet, that's all you need. Full HD playback, an 8 megapixel camera as well, and a 7.3 thousand milliamp hour battery. So it's all looking pretty promising. I'm not sure if you see if it here, it's got Lego on it. I don't know what that exactly means, but hopefully it looks kind of interesting. So, let's get this thing unboxed. Okay, so we start here at the top, where we have 2 seals here and there, which we need to cut open. And here. And then the flap here just opens like that. And, well, that's a box bit. Oh, and it opens through this way. Get a little tray that comes up from here. You pull it out. And you're greeted with the tablet itself, like this. It's in a sort of fabric covering. It has some weight to it, which I'm quite happy to announce. It's packaged nicely. We'll leave that for later. Here you have your quick start guide. I'm not sure where they put these anymore. I'm not sure if anyone needs these, but very useful. Is this fast charging? It's a travel adapter. Doesn't say anything about fast charging. And yep, as expected, micro USB cable right here. And now I assume, well, there's nothing else there. That was very quick. What we have here is the phones. You have the charging adapter. It's bare minimums really. Charger, quick start guide, the tablet itself, and that's all we have. So if we open this one here, it's got some sort of envelope almost, which is a nice experience. I'm quite surprised by. And then we unveil the tablet like so. This is really nice. So, you're black, sleek, no screen protector put on. They don't give you one either. A lot of companies nowadays, they do put like screen protectors and stuff on there, but this time we haven't. And matte black finish, and it's a fingerprint magnet already, so I'd advise a bit of care as well. That's all we have today. Thank you.